In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable text chat channels in Once Human. So this is actually very simple. All you have to do is press F1 on your keyboard to open up this menu over here, and then you want to click on this gear icon where there's settings here on the left. You want to press this, and then up here, navigate to your second tab, which is Messages. You want to press it, and then in here, as you can see, you can turn on or off your system channel, and then the same you can do with regional channel, the world, team channels, hive channel, and warband channel. So you can turn them all on or off, just like this, and then if you want to come back and you can turn them on again, you can do it just like that. Additional to this, you also have an option to enable or disable message fade out. So if you want it to fade out, you can simply enable it. If you don't want to do it, you can keep it as off. And then you can also have the message preview set to either 5 or 10 lines. So that's pretty much it. When you want to close down this menu, you simply can press escape or anywhere on your screen, and that's it. As you can see, my messages are now fading out because I've enabled that feature. So that's pretty much it. That's how you enable or disable text chat channels in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to this channel and help me out as well.